Hey guys, this is a channel where the Minecraft stuff and more, and back with another ceiling fan video. What you're looking at here is a Harbor Breeze Cove ceiling fan. It's installed in the dining area of my mom's cousin's house. We got this fan at Lowe's and it replaced the chandelier. There's also another one of these in the master bedroom of this house. Alright, anyways, how about we demonstrate this fan? There's the light. Let me shoot the Harbor Breeze a little bit onto there. Yeah. There it is. We'll put this fan on low. I can feel some air coming from this fan. Yeah, I actually did find this fan on low, but I turned it off for the video. Alright, take it up to medium. For some reason, this one does have a fast slow speed. Alright, here's medium. Here's high. This fan actually does blow a good amount of air. It actually does, surprisingly. Spins pretty fast too. Anyways, put this thing back to low where I found it at, and that is it. It's a Harbor Breeze Cove ceiling fan that's in the dining area of my mom's cousin's house. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. This channel, Brandon Minecraft stuff and more out.